Ever felt like your Git repository is about to explode because of those massive files you need to track? Well, you're not alone. Managing large files in Git can be a real headache, slowing down your workflow and clogging up your repository. That's where Git Large File Storage, or LFS, comes to the rescue. It's Git's built-in solution to efficiently handle those hefty files, like videos, audio files, datasets, and executables. First, you'll need to install Git LFS. Then, in your repository, you'll use the command line to track the files you want Git LFS to manage. This creates a Git attributes file, telling Git to use LFS for these specific file types. Next, you'll commit the Git attributes file and the large files themselves to your repository. Git LFS will then automatically upload these large files to a separate storage server, while keeping lightweight pointers in your Git repository. This keeps your Git repository lean and mean, making cloning, branching, and collaborating much faster. Git LFS is the key to keeping your version control efficient, even with those massive files, so you can focus on building awesome stuff without the Git slowdown.